Today we are going to test the sugar in the food sample. Let's do the activity. First we will take few drops of the food sample. After that we will take some drops of Benedict solution. Now we are going to boil for a minute. Now, color changes shows absence of sugar. Green color indicates so low sugar content. Now the color is changed into yellow. Yellow color indicates the medium level of sugar in this food sample.
A few moments later.
The blue color shows the absence of the sugar in the food sample. The green color shows the low content of the sugar in the food sample. The yellow color shows the medium level of sugar in the food sample. The red brick color shows the high level of sugar in the food sample. The color changes in Benedict solutions indicates the presence of sugar in the food sample.